Surprise for everyone. Nobody knows what I'm cooking. Neither do I. Don't worry. Now the batsman is set. So the bowlers have to save their lives. They're going to get smashed around. I've mastered this now. I've figured out what to do. थोड़ा टाइम लगता है ये there. Extra chili flakes. Always good. Throda spice.
Oh, nice.
This is what I've mastered. Good combination. Wrist work. So that I give you a nice finishing touch. You want? Do you want this? My friend has waited for his turn, not jumped at me. Discipline. Good boy. Good boy. Finishing touch. Yeah, super. Looks healthy. You need to focus. Now the match is done. Okay. I want you to just try this and then let me know. So today I'm going to make Bangan Bharta especially for my mother. Of course, Anjali is there. Sarah is not with us right now. She's traveling somewhere. So this one is for my mother and Anjali. Let's hope I get it right. Only acting, don't worry. Finishing touch is going to be, I'm going to add some cream to it. Let's see. Delicious. Bharta, of course, as I mentioned, it's for my mother, Anjali and Sarah. I want my mother to taste this first because she spent hours and hours cooking this for me when I was a kid. So let's see if she likes it or not. So we are in my mother's room and as always, she's praying. I don't want to disturb her, but maybe ask her to taste a little bit and see what happens. Hey, bak, tula बैंगनचा तो भरता तुला आवडतो का बघ. ती टेस्ट सेम झाले का सांग मला. तिखट आहे की तिखट आहे की
नाही चांगले
आत्ता केलंय मी. That is what mothers are. थोड़ा भी इधर उधर I'll never tell you. But the fact is, there can never be any comparison. They're always there. And I love my coffee. And I don't just like drinking it. I like making my own coffee as well. So I'm going to make my own coffee. And I love to start my day with a good cup of coffee. Coincidentally, my trainers have also told me that it helps you burn fat and increases your metabolism. So far, I'd like to believe it has worked well for me. It's not just about hot coffee, but on a summer afternoon when it's really hot, it's nice to chill with a good cold coffee or cold brews. That works pretty well. Enjoy your coffee, guys. And I've decided to surprise my family by preparing something sweet, which is mango kulfi. It's a different kind of mango kulfi because you have to take fresh mangoes, you cut them differently. So what I'm trying to do is I've already cut few mangoes, but from inside you have to remove the seed like this and simultaneously I've got some milk boiling there on the gas. And you have to add some condensed milk. थोड़ा कुल्फी है ना तो थोड़ा स्वीट बनाना पड़ेगा. Then once that cools down, I'm going to top it up. Cover it again and put it in the deep freeze. I think deep freeze में जाने के बाद it's going to become solid. Hopefully शाम तक mango kulfi will be ready. And guess who's in the kitchen to specially cook for me? Someone special.
सारा ये तुला आज बटाट्याचं भरीत सांगितलं सोपं आणि छोटं करायला.
This is what I was talking about. A homemade mango kulfi, guys. Lovely. Enjoy. My mango kulfi is ready. I'm going to try and taste it. Let's see. Super. और खाने का मन कर रहा है मगर I'll keep it for them. We have to share. This weather calls for some chai and aloo bhajiyas. But my mother always says, food waste is not in good taste. And she's right. 1/3 of food being wasted in the world is not at all sustainable for us. Do you know what I do with these tea leaves? And the water when I boil these potatoes in? Come, I'll show you. Follow me. The tea leaves are going here as fertilizer. Yeah. And the water, the potatoes are boiling. Don't waste it, guys. Zero food waste is close to my heart and it's something that I practice and believe in. And so do my friends at TBS. What's your zero food waste hack?